Now let's solve this problem. Secant A minus 1 divided by secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. In this problem, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. First, let me write down the LHS. Solution. LHS is secant A minus 1 divided by secant A plus 1. Secant A plus 1. We know that secant A can be written as 1 by cos A, right? Therefore, secant A I will write it as 1 by cos A minus 1 whole divided by secant A, we can write it as 1 by cos A plus 1. Now, let us take the LCM. Nothing is in the denominator, so I will write it as 1 is equal to cos A and 1. What is the LCM? Cos A is the LCM. Cos A. Here, since cos A is the LCM, what it will become? 1 minus this one, it will become cos A. 1 minus cos A whole divided by nothing is in the denominator, so let me write it as 1 cos A and 1. What is the LCM? Cos A is the LCM, right? Cos A. This one. Since cos A is the LCM, what it will become? It will become 1 plus this one. It will become cos A, right? Now look at this. This is numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. Both the denominators are same, right? Cos A, both are same. So we can cancel these terms. What is left? 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.